Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you're new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple chickpea rice recipe. So let's check out the ingredients. I have a medium-sized onion, but you can use any onion of your choice. I have 4 green onions that we also call shallot. I have 1 can of garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Tony Cheshire Creole seasonings, some chicken broth, some chicken flavor bouillon, some long grain parboiled rice. I also have some water. I also have some butter, and you can use any butter of your choice. So I'm starting with my vegetables. I'm finely chopping a 1/4 piece of my onion. And I'm finely chopping the 4 green onions. So for this recipe, I'm going to use my rice cooker. You can also use a regular pot. I'm adding about 2 cups of rice. Before I use the rice, I'm going to wash all the starch until my water is clear. I'm adding my chopped onion, my chopped green onions, I'm adding some chicken broth to cover the rice. Next, I'm adding a few pieces of the chicken bouillon. I'm lightly sprinkling some Tony Cheshire. And I'm also sprinkling some garlic and onion powder. And a teaspoon of butter. I'm adding 1 1/3 cup of drained chickpea. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used chickpea. Since I'm short on the chicken broth, I'm going to add some water to cover the ingredients. I'm mixing all the ingredients. Lastly, I'm adding the other half of my chicken bouillon cube. Let me know if you use chicken bouillon cubes in your meals. Now that I have all my ingredients, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. This is a very simple and easy recipe. So here is my chickpea rice. It came out perfect. The beans are soft. You can add any side dish to this rice, such as vegetables, meat, or seafood. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.